My kid is only motivated by money. What can I do? Welcome to Financialism, where we expand our wealth growth mindset.
I'm a lazy boy, all my money working for me. Chilling on the couch, what's on? Rick and Morty. Swimming through the cash like my name Dory. Doing what I'll do, I'll retire.
Let me break this down. You're saying your kid is motivated only by money or tokens, which are objects that you could trade in for prizes, such as some extra time with a video game or maybe going on an outing. I get it. They're not intrinsically motivated. They just want the thing. Well, when you got your job, right, and you were searching for places to work, were you searching the type of people that work there? Were you searching what does Sally like for lunch? Maybe you guys could go both eat lunch. No, you were not thinking about that. You were not thinking about potential future friendships or romantic whatever. You weren't thinking about that. You were thinking about money. You were thinking about benefits, vacation time, paid time off. All those things is something that you consider before you even have that thought cross your mind of social interaction. Why would your kids be any different? They wouldn't. They're human just like you, believe it or not. So that's why we have this pairing process. And pairing just means that you're making an association with money or receiving money also contingent on you. So, for example, if little Tommy earns $5 doing, I don't know, a couple chores around the house, what you should be doing is pairing yourself with those $5. So it's like, Tommy, oh my gosh, you did fantastic. You cleaned everything. I'm going to give you $5. You earned this. This is a hard day's work. Instead of, Tommy, good job, here's $5. Very different. You might want to take Tommy to the store and make it a whole life event, right? You go somewhere with Tommy, you have the $5. Maybe you tell a couple people, hey, he just earned this. He cleaned like every single dish in the house, mowed the lawn, did everything. I'm so proud of Tommy. He worked so hard for these $5. It's no longer about just the $5. It is now about you recognizing Tommy's efforts. That's what pairing is, and that is so important. That's what's actually happening to us, right? Money got paired with so many things. It's just a piece of paper, and most of the time it's not even paper. It's digital. It's not, we don't even see it. It's represented by a figure on a screen. So when it comes to these expectations for our kids, like, we just want them to be intrinsically motivated. Well, what makes you intrinsically motivated? It takes time to be intrinsically motivated. We can't just go in and expect that. That's completely unfair. So here's my homework for everyone watching this who has a kid in their life or a younger learner who want to teach about the power of money. Start with finding out their values. What do they like? Why do they like it? How much time would they spend doing it if they had infinite amount of time to do whatever they want? Would they stand in front of the TV and watch every single show until electricity as we know it stopped working? Then you can create that contingency where, okay, you earn 3 tokens and you are now allowed to play with the TV or watch your shows. You have 20 minutes. So those 20 minutes are now earned. They're associating, I have to do something to get this thing that I love, which prepares them for the world as we know it. But at the same time, it's not just about, okay, work, then you get something. Work, then you get something. I'm actually working, there I go. I'm trying very hard to get rid of the word work and working from my vocabulary, because I believe we should be in a flow state. We should always be doing something that we want to do. And when people actually do what they want to do, I believe a lot of progress can be made. When you're showing up to your job, man, that was a hard one. I almost said work. When you're showing up to your job, if you're going there voluntarily and not because you really need the money, you're probably going to perform extra well. If you're going there just because you need to pay the bills, well, you're probably not that motivated by the actual labor. That one was cheating. I said labor. That's the moral of this story. Well, don't be bummed out if your kids are like, okay, how much is this going to get me, right? It's the pairing process. Them still saying that just shows that you haven't paired well enough. So start focusing on how you deliver those tokens. Slow it down. Make it a ritual. And with that, financialism is out. Hope you enjoyed that video, how to think about money and kids and their relationship together and developing that further. Peace out, Girl Scouts. No doubt here. Learn some stocks.
I'm a lazy boy, all my money working for me. Chilling on the couch, what's on? Rick and Morty.